next awards plural, are for collaboration. This was the most the judges said, contested and difficult category. They all impressed the judges by demonstrating that they now have a sustainable culture of collaboration, and they wanted to congratulate them all on the excellence of their submissions. And so because it was so difficult to decide on a winner, there is a highly commended as well.
Okay, so for highly commended, Cumbria Manufacturing Alliance.
Being there, really proud to have won this award. We've been two competitors and we've come together and we're stronger. We've won the first volume manufacturing contract from Sellafield in Cumberland, and it's recognition for all hard work from Sean Saunders, myself, Callum and Eileen.